In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop a loss on Coinbase Advanced, which was formerly known as Coinbase Pro, using a stop order. Let's dive right in and show you how this important feature can help protect your investments. First things first, you'll want to navigate to Coinbase's Advanced Trade section. If you're familiar with the older Coinbase Pro, this will feel quite familiar, yet with some updated features to enhance your trading experience. Once you're there, it's time to select your preferred trading pair. This could be any combination of cryptocurrencies or a crypto and fiat pair, such as BTC USD, where you're essentially trading Bitcoin against US dollars. Carefully choose your pair depending on the specific assets you want to work with. Once you have your trading pair selected, turn your attention to the order types available. Here, you will need to select stop limit from the list. Now, this is a crucial step as it allows you to specify two essential prices: the stop price and the limit price. The stop price is essentially the trigger point. When the market hits this price, your order is activated. The limit price, on the other hand, represents the worst case scenario you're comfortable with. This means that even though your order has been triggered, it won't execute below this limit price, offering you added peace of mind in volatile market conditions. Next, it's time to enter the amount of cryptocurrency that you wish to sell. This can be the entire amount you own, or just a portion depending on your strategy and risk tolerance. Ensure you've double checked these values because precision matters in trading. With your stop price, limit price, and the amount set, it's now time to review all the details you've entered. Make sure everything matches your intended strategy, as this is your final opportunity to make any necessary adjustments. Once you're satisfied that everything is correct, go ahead and place the order. Now let's clarify what happens next. When the market drops to your specified stop price, your sell order is automatically triggered. This means you don't have to constantly monitor the market, providing a safety net against drastic losses. If the price continues to fall, your order will execute at or above the limit price you set, ensuring you don't sell for less than you're comfortable with. And there you have it, a straightforward way to protect your investments on Coinbase Advanced using a stop order. This method not only gives you greater control over your trades, but also contributes to developing a disciplined approach to managing your portfolio. Make sure to assess your strategies regularly to match your evolving financial goals and market conditions. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.